Forest City, developing a city that blends with nature. But is it ready to face the challenge? What about the sustainability of the environment and life in it? Forests are disappearing, flooding is occurring, and the environment is being threatened. And then, what's the solution? WILDSCAPE Living Nexus, a city that grows with nature. Targeting 70% of forest and green space, allowing 2 million people to live without compromising nature in 2045. With the implementation of the innovation concept from Shenzhen City, we can develop Education, Innovation, and Research District, the economic district that innovation and sustainability united for a better future. By combined Sponge City, 10-minute city, Eco Corridor, and Forest City concept.